with cervical syndrome, you left a while ago, right? So you double check and there's that issue there. Okay. Go around here. Other side, this is more musculature. Feelings, toes, knee cap. When we could get there, on the attachment of the muscle, go around here. That. Okay, now let's go lower. Oh, sorry. And okay. Now let's move down just a bit further. Okay. Now let's take this up here. Let's bring this up. This. Cross arms up. Here. Let's go to rotate. Let's make stretch. Maybe deep into it. Maybe help up. Good. Reset goes down. Maybe deep in. Then breathe out. And last. Good. Very, very low. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, so the next move is we're going to do, okay? Good. Over here. Good. So take off the eye facing the other.